I'm standing in front of our brand new 2023 180 Rpod. This floor plan is 20 feet from rear bumper to front hitch and weighs approximately 2,900 pounds. This is the perfect floor plan for those that want open and spacious on the inside, but yet small and lightweight and can travel anywhere. Let's go inside and check it out. Inside the 180 Rpod, you're gonna notice this is one of our most open floor plans on the market. It comes with a rear bath, which makes it one of our largest bathrooms. Also, the dinette area has a beautiful window on the door side, which allows you a great view. Now, if we look inside the kitchen area, you're gonna notice this is upgraded with a new cosmic graphite interior. This provides the butcher block live edge countertops, which is a very sleek look. It comes with the champagne brand new faucet, which is beautiful, the oversized sink, the 2-burner cooktop, and its flush mount that provides you more countertop space. It also comes with the convection microwave. This is not a standard microwave, it can substitute as an oven as well. The fridge size, you're gonna notice this is a 5 cubic foot fridge, which makes it one of the largest fridges in a smaller unit like the 180. Finally, a very unique feature inside this 180 is gonna be the central vacuum. The central vacuum is gonna allow you to clean and take care of this Rpod better than most, and it comes with the upgraded hose attachment. Thanks for taking a look at the 180 Rpod. If you want more information or detail, check us out on forestriverinc.com/Rpod or check out your local Rpod dealer.